Okay, this question says, the diagram below shows a cross-section of a plant root. The transport tissues are labeled. So we've got two transport tissues that we need to know about. One of them is the phloem. Part A of the question asks, what is tissue A? The two transport systems you need to know about is the phloem and the xylem. So the phloem is responsible for transporting sugars around the plant, whereas the xylem, which is the next question, transports water and minerals. So part 2 of that question says, name two substances transported by tissue A or the xylem. You would say water for one of the marks and minerals for the other mark. Then part B of the question is all about the phloem. Phloem is involved in a process called translocation. What is translocation? Translocation is literally the movement of sugars around the plant. And then the last part says, explain why translocation is important to plants. So the first part is okay to just write 1 point, you get 1 mark there. This is a 2 marker, we need to really say 2 points here. So why does sugar need to be moved around the plant? So let's think about, where is sugar made? Sugar is mostly made in plants in the leaves. But is it just the leaves that need the sugar? No, every single cell in the plant needs sugar. Because remember, every single cell needs to respire in order to release energy. So just for a cell not to die, it needs to be able to respire. So the sugars that are made in the leaves needs to be transported to every other cell in the plant. So that's why plants need translocation and a system to move the sugar around the plant. So for 2 marks, explain why translocation is important to plants. You'd say, first of all, sugars are made in the leaves. That's 1 point. Then you can say they need to be transported to the other parts of plants for respiration.